Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the moving average displaced envelope indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the moving average displaced envelope indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 922 indicators, with 383 of them being winners. The best one so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 107 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the cryptos and Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the moving average displaced envelope indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so basically this indicator creates a channel, as you can see here, or an envelope using moving averages. And so you can go in and of course tweak the settings on this to change basically the distance between these two indicators, and you can tweak the input on them to change the length, the period of the moving averages as well. And so if you're interested in more information on the indicator, of course you can click on the link down below. It'll take you to the indicator page. Now in the original testing, this did 15 trades within 1 year's time and was able to achieve a 73% win rate. So we kept this on the daily time frame for the advanced test. And we used the default take profit and stop. You can see it here. And so what we were looking for in the original video was a price action break to the upside of the channel, or a price action break to the downside of the channel. And so once we get price action that breaks above the channel and closes above the channel, that was a signal to go long. When we got price action that closed below, broke below, and closed below the bottom of the channel, that was a signal to go short. And so you can see we get a break right here of the top side of the channel, and you can see that we make a nice push to the upside. And here you can see we get a break to the downside of the channel, and we get a nice push to the downside. And so that's how we tested it in the original testing, and that's how we tested it in the advanced test. And so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in that advanced test. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers of the advanced test here. So we did a 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades and we got 22 losing trades. And so that's going to put us right at a 56% win rate. And so that is not going to maintain the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so I do think there is some use in a channel or envelope style indicator. I think maybe this one is just a tad bit too narrow, maybe broadening it out just a little bit more or dropping it down to a lower time frame to try to test it that way might do better. And so we've had an issue before with using moving averages as entry indicators, just because they get whipsawed back and forth quite a bit and cause a lot of unnecessary losses in the trading. And so with this one, you can see that there is only about 1 or 2 candle kind of buffer in the channel itself. And so again, that tends to be a little bit narrow. We want a little bit more to really confirm that price is going to move in one direction or another and not get stuck kind of whipsawing back and forth. And so I think there is some use, like I said, in this indicator, and playing around with it some is probably a good idea. Just kind of see how it will fit in maybe with other strategies. And so, but unfortunately, it is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.